In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Photoshop image as a JPEG in just one click after the initial setup. If you regularly export images from Photoshop, this is a simple trick that can save you a surprising amount of time. Instead of going through the full export process again and again, Photoshop can remember your previous JPEG settings, which makes future saves much faster. This is especially useful when you're working on multiple versions of the same design, making small adjustments, or preparing files for the web, social media, or client delivery. To begin, open your completed Photoshop project. Once your file is ready, go up to the File menu and choose Save a Copy, or Save As, depending on the version of Photoshop you're using. From there, select JPEG as the file format. At this stage, you'll also choose your preferred image quality. Higher quality usually means a larger file size, while lower quality creates a smaller file that may be better for quick uploads or web use. After that, save the file to your desired location. That first save is important because it sets up the export settings that Photoshop will remember for the next time. Once you've done it once, the process becomes much quicker. The next time you want to save that same project as a JPEG, you can simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus S, or use your own configured shortcut if you've assigned one. Photoshop will use the settings from your previous save, so in many cases, all you need to do is confirm the save location if prompted, then click Save. That means you don't have to manually choose JPEG and adjust the same settings every single time. This workflow is a great way to speed up repetitive tasks. If you're exporting several images in a row, or making quick edits and saving updated JPEG versions over and over, this can make your editing process feel much smoother and more efficient. Small shortcuts like this really add up over time, especially when you're working on tight deadlines or high-volume projects. A good tip here is to pay attention to your JPEG quality setting during that first save, since Photoshop may continue using it for the next exports. Setting it correctly from the start helps you keep your output consistent. Thanks for watching, and keep learning these Photoshop shortcuts and productivity tips to edit faster, work smarter, and create professional quality projects with ease.